so very happy to have you all here today. We're going to start off by doing something a little bit fun because there's a question that a lot of people ask you, Jake, don't they?
All the time. And
one of the questions people ask all the time is, what kind of sound does a panda make? On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. What noise does a panda make?
It's a very good question. So most people don't ever get to hear a panda, and I get to hear pandas almost every single day. They have a few different calls. One of the calls is real whiny. If they want something from you, if they want milk or apples or something like that, which is a snack, they'll make a noise like, mm, mm, mm. So real whiny. The other thing is that if they are kind of happy or they want to meet with their cub, so if the mother wants to get her cub and she wants to play with them or nurse, they'll make a sound that goes, very odd, sounds almost like a dolphin. And then the last one, they have a really loud, very scary bark. So when they get frightened, they'll,
oh,
yeah. And it's very loud and very scary, and it can scare me each time it happens. So.
Oh wow, that's really, really interesting. Shall we give the students a bit of a chance to make some of those noises too?
They can try.
Yeah, let's give that a shot. So I'm going to unmute everyone. Jake, do you want to do the first noise?
What's the first noise? Remember, this is whining. You want something. Good. Number two. Number two is you're trying to be nice to your friend. You want to say hi. How's it going? It's almost like a joke. Yeah.
I can hear some shit in there.
Yeah.
And what's that third?
The third one is you're afraid. So it's. Okay.